scream. But not in a bad way. Put you to bed early. I'ma take you to a new place. Close your eyes and go to sleep. I ain't talking about a nightmare.
Okay. To do what? Say, I can't hear. Oh. A rage? You keep going in and out. I can't hear you. Ugh. A T A-T.
Show me down. What you got? What you playing with?
Hello.
Let me see her.
Rate 2.
You ain't name her? You said what? I like
With
it
who?
down, girl.
I kind of cut some hair.
You cut some
What are
hair.
you rating?
Pants. They're covered in hair.
Ugh. I get.
Cut the hair? How you cut it? Yes, sis.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some hair. I had to do something.
So we're hairstylists now. Chopping hair out.
No, because I was like, I don't know.
I think I should just.
Well, I don't want her. She don't need to be bald headed either.
Yeah.
You look cute.
No, I don't. Let's stop lying. Mom, stop. I don't want to be on that camera.
You look cute, girl.
I
You
don't.
look cute.
Stop.
Yes, you do. Give me my lashes for me. Trying to show you you sleep. Knock to the knock to the knock down.
Ah! Why'd you do that? Ugh. That's nasty. I can hear now. Like, I can hear.
Oh, damn. Okay, now.
Oh, Mom, I look
No,
bad.
you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
That
You
better
look
not be
good.
going on no Facebook.
You look good.
Mom, I know you're lying. You see this eyelash. You did.
Oh, man, let's see. What?
All directions. Like,
Can't nobody tell that but you. When we looking far back, I don't see all that. It look good to me. You know what I'm saying?
from the back. From the back. From the back.
Baby, baby,
From the back. From the Okay. Let's stop.
You see them sing.
I do too. I don't know. It just happens.
What happened?
When I start singing random, like, I need to cry.
And then what happened?
And then it just be corny. Because why am I talking?
Stupid.
Oh. Interesting. That's nice. For real though.
You really stuck in this shit.
If you look your ponytail,
Yeah,
you
it really is. Shall I sink the ponytail?
No, your ponytail would be like that.
Let me see
Oh,
my
no.
friend.
Saggy.
I'm phone now.
Oh, who now? I'm shut up. Oh, who now?
Mom, I'm for them.
I don't even know what that means. I know what it means. I ain't stupid. Sound like somebody.
Who I sound like? My father? I do not sound like my father. You don't know nothing about that.
I don't know nothing.
He don't know nothing about that.
You know something?
He a thug.
something.
He is.
He's something.
On 4 now. For real.
You got some lotion down there?
I found it. I ain't got none. No, I felt it. I felt it earlier. I got it. See? Boom. Magic. You see how that just came in my hand and it was like...
No, that came and squeezed something in my hand.
Hey, yo. That don't sound...
Stupid.
What's wrong with your phone?
Let me just side ponytail. You already know what the
Hold on,
Let me see the ponytail.
Let me show. What she got? Okay, so...
What would happen if I lick this?
I like that down, girl.
Could I eat this?
What's her name? Your name machine.
Mom,
Huh?
can I eat this?
Why would you want to eat it? Do you want me to
That tastes like chemicals.
eat that? Eat that.
Why you put that on me? It's for your hand.
No, man.
What happened?
No, man.
Yeah, I needed this lotion actually.
We all need some lotion. My hands is dry. That smells good.
Yep. Do it.
This is my plan. This is
Do it.
Who you talking about? Are you on the phone?
I am.
She over having 2 conversations. Talking to us
Okay.
and her then.
All right.
We just chilling,
I
y'all.
am.
We not doing nothing. We stuck in this storm.
Stop. Just let me be. Just let me be.
Put this on your nose.
Mama, stop. No. My nose gonna be... You
No,
already
it's
see
not.
me. You
No,
already-
it's not.
Okay. Okay. Now you
Your
get
face-
to lying.
your
Now
face
you
looks
get-
fine.
Now you get to lying and you need to stop.
Tell her. Yeah, I'm finna go get me a Barbie doll like that. I want the black one. They should gave her the black doll.
You black.
Huh? She dark. Yeah, the
Mom,
Barbie
where my
doll.
chapstick go?
The Barbie doll. The Barbie doll's on the box. She dark skin. I said okay. I want her.
These
That's
black
what we're gonna
kids.
get.
These black children.
And she gave her the black one.
Okay.
We like them all, but I'm just saying I want the black one.
Suspect is big.
You like the meal? Yeah, look at that.
So she said like that. I got she said. Why she said like that?
Why she sitting like that?
Right? She got a lean to it. Like she just with the shit.
Mama.
Like she just with
Mom,
the
what's
shit.
that little meal of yours?
What is that?
What is that?
Hair from the dog.
No, that needs to. Y'all about to throw that shit away.
Yes, sir.
What is?
Mom, if only
Mom, you
I
have to
went outside,
stop
I would
putting
let
that
my
camera on.
kids
You
go
have to.
Yeah, cause you need a cover on.
You see this
Mom,
Them shorts.
voluptuous?
Maybe shorts.
Mom,
They is.
I can't tell your legs so long.
They box. They're not that long.
Yes, fuck it is. Hi, Chelle.
Actually, my legs
my
is
kids
long.
go outside and play 'cause they be
I'm feeling lotion.
It's gonna be some more foots outside.
soaking.
What is you doing?
I'm G to the L to the O. Big glow.
Oh, you big glow?
I'm big glow.
I'm little glow.
Guess what?
Half up, half down on this Barbie. But I don't know how to do
Do it.
it. I know how to do it. I just don't.
I like them pigtails.
What you say?
Yeah. Or that. I thought those pigtails. That's one ponytail.
I did a braid, one braid.
You should have some rubber bands.
I need rubber bands. I was trying to make braids, but those weren't working.
Right.
I'll get some rubber bands tomorrow.
She lying.
I will. I like how she's sitting. Why she got her sitting like that?
How you
It's
going?
cute. You said she
You never
lying.
know.
I'm gonna wipe you.
Why you just keep putting lotion on me?
Hold on.
Stop. I'm gonna get you.
Get it, Nene. Chelle.
Shayla, stop.
You know you with that big head.
Oh, I don't. Hello?
She ain't got
Are
no
you a
forehead.
cat?
She ain't got no forehead. What she talking?
I don't have a forehead.
No, you
She
don't.
doesn't have one. I got the big one from y'all.
The lion.
Y'all have to like.
Ooh, girl, you see that?
guys.
You don't even have a forehead.
Mom,
Why you
you
lying?
just seen that. Why are
Girl, you ain't got shit up there.
Mom,
I'm still trying to put this lotion on this one hand.
Right, that phone's still in that hand.
Oh, sorry. I got this lotion going on. I shit looking gross. Still those basket. No.
Y'all.
No, we don't want to see what's under there. We know it looks a mess. It's clearly why we got bottles.
Mom, you my friend?
Huh?
You my friend?
Yes, we're friends. Shout out.